Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Asana. So this is the login and sign up page of Asana. So now what we need to do, just type the email here. If you have already created account on Asana, just simply click on continue. Now type the password. Now click on login button. Now wait for a few seconds. So you can see our website is login and this is the main interface of Asana. Now click on my tasks, so you can easily add tasks here. So simply you can check, you can also replace all these options according to your choice. Now we'll click on add task. You can simply add task here, like I am typing the random name task 1. So you can simply click here, check all the details. You can see the options, due date, projects. You can also add to projects, dependencies, description, add subtasks. You can also type description according to your choice. Now you can see, you can choose all these options in your tasks. This is the inbox where you receive all the messages. Now you can see reporting option, goals option. These all options are available here. Now click on these three dots. You can also check, this is my profile option. Here you can see your completely profile. You can also edit it. Now you can change your profile picture here. Just select the random picture, open it. So wait for a few seconds. You can see your picture is uploaded. You can also check the notifications here. You can also set the notification according to your choice. So you can also use email forwarding option. So here you can see your account details. You can also change the password here. These are the security verifications display. This is how you want to see display on Asana. Apps, you can also connect apps. So these are the account settings. Now you can also click on set out of office. Now you can simply add the date here. You can also add send push notification. So this is according to your office settings. You can also type here the further details. Click on save changes. Now simply what we need to do, just you can see these are our options here. So you can also check these three members are here. You can also click on blank project. Here how you can create a project on Asana, simply type the project name you want to create, click on continue. Now click on go to project. Now you can see your project is created. Now simply you can add multiple tasks on this project. So there are main two objectives: how to create project, how to add tasks, so how to manage project and tasks on Asana. So simply how you can go with this website.